Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome automatically turn off problem. So guys, before we get started, I would like to request you all to please do subscribe this YouTube channel, that is Android Tips, and if you want, please hit the bell icon to receive informative videos from Android Tips. So guys, you just need to watch this video till the end to know how to fix Google Chrome automatically turn off problem. So guys, let's get started. So guys, if you are facing the problem, if you are not being able to open the Google Chrome application, it shows like error or Google Chrome has been stopped problem. While using Google Chrome application, it is turned off automatically. Then I'll show you how to fix with this problem. So there are two steps how to fix with this problem. So the first thing is you need to go to Google Play Store and then search for Google Chrome, and then check out whether your Google Chrome is asking for update or not. So guys, I'm having a network issue. So guys, first step, you need to check out whether your Google Chrome is asking for update or not. You need to go to Google Play Store and then check out whether Google Chrome is asking for update or not. If it is asking for update, you make sure to update your Google Chrome application, and then your problem might get fixed by updating your Google Chrome from Google Play Store. But even after updating, you're still facing the same problem, then the step 2, you need to go to settings and then scroll down and go to apps. I'm using a Redmi device, so my interface might be different, but I hope you can do this. You just need to go to manage apps or apps management. So guys, you need to go to Chrome. So simply tap on Chrome and then tap here, clear data. Clear data, you don't have any option to clear data in Google Chrome. You don't get the option to clear data in Google Chrome. You simply need to tap on manage app, and then you simply need to clear the data from here, clear all data, and then go back, and then again tap here and then clear the cache. Clear the cache and then open up your Google Chrome application, and then your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it, and that is how we fixed with this problem. So guys, I hope this video is satisfying. So thanks for watching this video.